Big O Tires provides reliable tire repair in La Mirada, California, repairing punctures, leaks, and worn tread quickly to keep drivers safe, confident, and prepared for smooth daily travel ahead. Our experienced technicians provide detailed tire inspections, expert patching, balancing, and dependable repairs designed to improve performance and extend tire life. We proudly serve La Mirada drivers with affordable pricing, honest recommendations, fast turnaround times, and dependable customer service that keeps vehicles performing safely throughout every season year-round. Visit us today and let us help you with your tire repair needs. Are you looking for a tire repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Big O Tires. Do you inspect all 4 tires during service? Yes, our technicians inspect all 4 tires for tread wear, pressure issues, punctures, and hidden damage to help improve safety, handling, tire performance, and overall reliability during every service appointment. Do tire repairs include balancing? Yes, we include tire balancing after many repair services to improve handling, reduce uneven wear, enhance driving comfort, and help your tires perform safely and efficiently longer daily. What is your service area for the La Mirada, California office? Our tire repair services has helped clients in the surrounding areas of La Mirada, La Habra, East Whittier, Fullerton, Buena Park, Cerritos, Norwalk, Bellflower, Artesia, Fullerton, Downey, Whittier, Rowland Heights, Hacienda Heights, Cypress, Stanton, Anaheim, Lakewood, Paramount, and Yorba Linda, California. Where is your La Mirada, California tire repair office located? We are located at 13920 Valley View Avenue, Louisiana, Mirada, California 90638. Our phone number is 562-320-5048. Visit our website, www.bigotires.com/location/cia/la-mirada.